Hello guys, welcome back for the new video. Today we are going to fix the new smart lock D09. Today we will tell you how to fix properly in the door. First of all, this is the machine. You have to make the hole according to your door size. After you will fix the first of all the machine in the door. After you will fix the screw.
Mine was too much on the inside. No. To make like this case, my I think coming on customer.
Like this. After in the second part, you will fix the cylinder.
It will not make second passing coming against center.
After you have to fix the screw.
No, not work. No, like this you every day will make
That's why no need to make too much like
उधर डाल दी तो आवाज आएगी.
this is different thing. But it will be
Okay. After this one, it's very easy way to fix the lock.
not like
In the next step, you will take the front part of the smart lock. You have to fix from the front side.
not like this. Yesterday also we have misunderstanding. Before also we have misunderstanding. Okay. If we
Like this.
start with you,
From the back side, you will fix the
what type of
rod.
I will come with you, just let's go together.
This is the rod.
You agree, okay? Because that time you will too much hard.
Like this. After, from the back side,
I will not ask
you have to fix this part. First of all,
just like this.
you will connect the wire
Take a note. Know this thing.
like this,
not face like this.
Not like this. No, that is not.
like this. After, you will adjust the wire.
Which have this industry you have to flex in it.
That's why now okay.
But it's not straight in your mind also. My
No,
mind also.
now finish. My mind is finished. Now I set my mind.
Like this, you will adjust.
We
We also become
are not looking, but you know, we are saying like brother, sister, friends, more for like this. We are too much like this. No,
That's why
Carefully,
there is a misunderstanding.
you have to fix this part and adjust the
I'm not thinking we are not
rubber
we
also.
are free.
like this.
My mind is
But then I will make no. Then again you will like this in what benefit.
that's why not straightforward.
That was like this coming happen on the night. Nobody can live like this.
Okay. Now, inside have the one screw here and the one screw in the down. First, you will fix the front screw from the upside. And carefully tight this one.
For two door, obviously. This all door same or different?
What?
Some door is
You will
different.
after
No, what?
adjust this rubber carefully
So I don't
and tight properly.
I should remove or
Have their hole, then you will need to check what.
After this one, same like this one have the down screw also. After, simply you will put the batteries
this one also can
like this
huh?
and put the
This also
back cover
any size have.
We have inside, but you need to check.
and tight the screw.
The port is wrong port. So this model that is the wrong port. So this
No, one and the other one, no problem. So, need bit size.
This one is how much?
Now you can see
This one
it's properly working from the outside, from the inside. Thank you guys and watch
Short same price
our
or
next
what?
video.